The World Cup is always awaited with eager anticipation, but even more so in 1982. The number of finalists had been increased from 16 to 24 for the first time, allowing a greater representation for the greatest showpiece of this global game. The hosts Spain and the holders Argentina joined by 22 qualifying nations. The finalists split into 6 groups of 4 for the first stage, the top 2 to go through, and further mini-leagues to follow to decide the 4 semi-finalists. The football festival, a month long now, and Spain, an appropriate setting, a country with a huge appetite for football.